Hello, class. I am your sub, Professor John Lynch. Nice to meet you. There's three words in the teaching business that we go by when things happen suddenly. It's adapt, improvise, and overcome. And I applaud you for doing that so far. We'll continue the course the way it is. I usually build weekly modules, but to go through all that, Professor Enoch might be back next week after. So we'll just keep the class the same. The one thing I will add is that I will be on Zoom every Tuesday at 11:15. It says 11 because they don't put meetings on in the 15-minute increments. So if you want to stop in there, ask questions, go over some things. I understand that the assignments were time-wise some assignments were past due. Hopefully that's been taken care of. The sub essay for the first one, I haven't had a chance to grade, obviously, the first one. So I said if you wanted to do the sub essay for extra credit at some point, you can do that. It looks like you know the deal with the timed assignments and announcements being released as you go. I'm hoping I do get a chance to teach The Great Gatsby with you. Because it's one of my favorite books of all time. But if I don't, I don't. So I'm going to send you at the bottom of this video, in the announcement, I'm going to send you the link that you can come in and join the meeting. And it's going to be at 11 a.m. for as long as I'm here. So the video will be here, and then voting will be after. Okay, so any questions, reach out or come on in on Tuesdays. And I hope everything is evening out as far as timed assignments and things like that. Okay, let's do this together, right?